Here is called Amajope, and it's the highest settlement in Ghana. My name is Augustino Tiabua, and I'm from Achimswa in the Eastern region. Currently the manager for HERP Ghana's Wanepone Endangered Species Refuge here in the Volta region. Seeing the rate at which we are losing our forest and other forms of wildlife inspired us to come in here to conserve these species by name the Togo sleepy frog. Last year, we were able to plant over 70,000 trees in the reserve, and as of now, we've achieved about 80% yield. So this means that we are ahead in achieving our goals of restoring the degraded portions of the area.
Menye agbledela kafi over pombe obematase ati ocho ne ma wodo pele yu ge miape aviola wachi miatpan ati ochocho. Nko yenye Salom Dogbe mele dowo le HERP Ghana. Menye agbledela le dowo le apple farm pele ati dodome.
At this portion of the reserve, we also planting prekese, these fruiting trees. We also planting of framo, mahogany, and of course the apples here. From having 10 apple trees in the farm, that can bear about 500 fruits per tree. The locals here are predominantly farmers, and so they would have to clear a vast land to cultivate their food. And it's not only for their family alone, they also sell them out.
Like it also land degradation, the bedo is a peculiar. Hey, cookie, allogeny, esa doe, hawk baby don't maybe wape. Baby no, the melue. This is one Messi Pamela could do. On your majemenu, this is pay dole and a agbeli. Abla malini kepa mewa wena, mewa nyono. Kido also be pay. Sikulebe kiblo kesa, aniblo isele. Baby no si hegi isele ile blo beni agebaki zemwe baati lipweka kabela zeni ba ozelo kiamo kunigba kianwe liwole mefe liwazizi liwole melia peki kiatanize fun kwa amo kunyanyanya ni totoe.
The reason why Terra Fund for AFR100 invests in projects like this is, first of all, these are locally led projects. These are projects that at the end of the day, we know that the benefits is not going to be outside of the community, it's going to be directly to the communities. It's a whole 6-year program. So since the beginning, they started with the nursery establishment and the tree planting took place. Then afterwards, there is the activities of maintenance and monitoring.
We have young men and women in the community we call the behavior change champions. So they are trained in how to fight bushfires. As and when bushfires emerges, we call on them. They go in and help us. And with the issue of prolonged drought, we are also operating an ecotourism site. So the waste from the bottles we generate, we use that one to kind of irrigate the crops in the form of a drip irrigation system.
There are a number of wildlife that are within this landscape that will benefit. One of them is a popular Togo slippery frog. We can also mention of different antelope species that are existing within this landscape.
Working with Terra Fund has been an awesome journey, and we hope this journey will continue. Being very supportive in all that we do. So in the next 5 to 15 years, I expect that we will be able to restore all the degraded portions of the Wanepone Endangered Species Refuge, so that we will have more wildlife species, calling the refuge a safe haven.
From small things,
Donachona.
Near Bepete Pese.
We are Restore Local.